Triangle Similarity Theorem. Our objectives at the end of this presentation should be able to illustrate, explain, and prove the condition for SAS Similarity Theorem, SSS Similarity Theorem, and AA Similarity Theorem. Let's start. What are the triangle similarity theorem? If the corresponding angle of two triangles are congruent, it follows that the corresponding sides are proportional, thus the triangles are similar. AAA similarity postulate. If the corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. For example, we have triangle ABC and we have triangle EFG. Angle A corresponds to angle E, angle B corresponds to angle F, angle C corresponds to angle G, and let's assume that the corresponding angles are equal. So we can write this angle A is congruent to angle E, angle B is congruent to angle F, and angle C is congruent to angle G. Since the corresponding angles of the given two triangles are congruent, then, by the use of the AAA similarity postulate, we can conclude that the triangles are similar. AA similarity theorem. AA similarity theorem came from the AAA similarity postulate. The AA similarity theorem states that if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Now let's prove that the AA similarity theorem is really correct. Remember that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Now, for example, I have triangle ABC and I have triangle DEF. Let's say that angle A is congruent to angle D and the measurement of their angle is 35 degrees. Angle B and angle E are congruent to one another, and let's say that the measurement of their angle is 100 degrees. Now, how can we conclude that the two given triangles are similar by the AA similarity theorem? Remember that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, if I will be solving for the value of angle C, we can write this as 180 degrees minus the sum of the two given angles, which are angle A is 35 degrees and angle B, which is 100 degrees. Angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. Subtract 180 degrees to 135 degrees. The difference is 45 degrees. Now, angle C here is 45 degrees. If I'll be getting the measurement of angle F, that is also 180 degrees minus the sum of the two given angles, which are 35 degrees and 100 degrees. So angle F is equal to 180 degrees minus 135 degrees. Therefore, angle F is equal to 45 degrees. As you notice, angle C and angle F are congruent. Therefore, the statement is true by the AAA similarity postulate. Since it satisfies the postulate, therefore, the two given triangles are said to be similar by the use of the AA similarity theorem. Take note, if the two given corresponding angles are congruent, automatically the two given triangles are said to be similar by the AA similarity theorem. SSS similarity theorem or side-side-side similarity theorem. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then the triangles are similar. Let's have angle ABC or triangle ABC, and let's have triangle DEF. Let's say triangle side AB of triangle ABC measures 1, DE is 2, BC is 3, EF is 6, AC is 4, and DF is 8. Now let's see whether the given two triangles are similar or not by the use of the SSS similarity theorem or the side-side-side similarity theorem. Take note that if the corresponding side of two given triangles are proportional, then the triangles are said to be similar. Now we all know that the ratio of the length of the corresponding sides of the given triangle should be proportional. So we can say that AB corresponds to DE is equal to BC over EF is equal to AC over BF. Now, let's substitute the given value. We have 1/2 is equal to 3 over 6 is equal to 4 over 8. Now, obviously, 1/2 cannot be simplified, so we will just simply write 1/2. That is equal to 3 over 6, so the lowest term of 3 over 6 is 1/2, is equal to 4 over 8. The lowest term of 4 over 8 is 1/2. As you notice, the given fraction become equal, therefore they are proportional. In conclusion, the two given triangles are similar by the use of the SSS similarity theorem. SAS similarity theorem or the side-angle-side similarity theorem. Given two triangles, if two sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding sides of the other triangles and their corresponding included angles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. Let's have triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Let's assume that angle A is congruent to angle D. AB measures 1, side DE measures 2, side AC measures 4, and side DF measures 8. Now, let's satisfy first the corresponding included angles are congruent. So, let's say angle A is congruent to angle B. Now, what is the included angles? Included angles are the angles or the angles in between two sides. For example, angle A is the included angle of side AB and side AC. Therefore, if the given is side BC and side AC, your included angle is angle C. If the given is angle side AB and side CB, the included angle is angle B. The common letter on two sides of the given triangles is said to be the included angle. Now, let's solve for the sides of the given triangle. So, SAS stands for side, angle, side. So, obviously, AB is a side, angle A is an angle, and side AC is a side. That's why we have SAS. Now, Let's solve for the sides of the given two triangles. Remember that the sides of these two given triangles should be proportional. So we can say that side AB corresponds to side DE is equal to side AC over side DF. Let's substitute the given value. 1 over 2 is equal to 4 over 8. Now let's get the lowest term of 4 over 8. So 1 half will just simply remain 1 half. 4 over 8 is equal to 1 half. Now since they become equal, therefore they are proportional. Since the two given sides of triangle ABC and DEF are proportional, and their included angle A and D are congruent, therefore the given two triangles are similar by the use of the SAS or the side angle side similarity theorem. Find the missing blank if the triangles are similar. Now, we all know that this side of the given triangle corresponds to this side of the given triangle. Same as this side of the triangle is similar to this side of the given triangle. So we can write this as 42 over 28 is equal to 33 over x. You can use the way which is the means and extremes. So you need first to convert the given fraction into ratio form, or you can use the cross multiplication using the diagonals of each fraction. So I'll be using cross multiplication for this side. So we got 42 times x, that is 42x, is equal to 28 times 33. So we have 42x is equal to 28 times 33 is equal to 924. Now let's divide both sides by 42. So x now is equal to 22. Now for this example, you need to remove the small triangle to the big triangle. So when you remove the small triangle into the big triangle, it looks like this. So the small triangle is 12 and the other part is x. So this is the small triangle. So for the big triangle, okay, this is 14 and this is 22. Now what will be on the upper part of the given big triangle? So we have two given, we have 12 and 12. So you will just simply add these two given. So that is 24. Now we can now solve for the value of x since we have given for the corresponding sides. So we have 12 over 24 is equal to x over 22. So again, let's use the cross multiplication. So we have 24x is equal to 12 times 22. 24x is equal to 22 times 12 is 264. Now let's divide both by 24. X now is equal to 11. Thank you.